Hi, did you ever want to play a piano on paper or in the air? Well, now you can. And honestly, this project suffers from a fundamental flaw that you can't detect touch with the camera. But still, it's quite fun to make your fingers dance over the layout. So go to this page and wait for the hand detection to work. Allow your camera. Once everything is loaded, click on this Play in the Air button and it will display a layout. Now you can just move your fingers over the piano to play. And if you want to print the layout, there is a link to the PDF. Tape the pages together so it's like a keyboard. Now make sure you can see the layout on the screen like this. Make it all fit and visible. Click this Play on Paper 1 button. Wait for the model. And you will see a red and blue mask here. Blue means a group with 5 keys. Red means the group with 7 keys. If you don't like the mask and if it makes a mistake, adjust the camera again. Maybe change your lighting and click the same button again. Once you are satisfied, press this Like the Mask 2 button and you will see the layout overlaid on your paper piano. If you don't like the mask, you can repeat the steps. You might want to tape the piano so it doesn't move. If it moves or something, you can again press button 1 and then button 2 like before. Also, you can even use the offline Python version, which I actually recommend more, although it doesn't have a user interface. Because this website is very resource heavy, and if you refresh the page, it might not work at all. So the Python version is faster and reliable. But for this, you need to install Python and all these requirements. And here's how you open this. Run this runme.bat file by double-clicking or pressing enter, the traditional way. It has commands to run these 4 files in order. It first opens this capture.py and this is where you make sure your piano is visible. Press yes to capture the frame. Once the frame is captured, it runs inference.py and this gives a red and blue mask. Close this mask window. Then look, it has asked this question. Do you like the mask? Y for yes and for no. If you press N, it will again go back to capturing the frame. If you press Y, it will create a layout from that mask. You close this window again. And see, it is now running video.py, which loads the finger detection and lets you play. Now this video.py will take a few moments to load, so you need to wait. If you don't like anything, you can again restart, of course. For playing in the air, just edit the video.py and change this piano key.json to dummy layout.json. Run video.py only, like this, using command. And then you can just play. Change it back though for the printed paper way. Now here's the catch. Only 29 keys are supported. I know it's not much. And like I said, it has this flaw. It has too many false positives. It will often count as pressed even when you didn't press anything. Because the logic is simple, it just checks if the finger is inside the coordinates of the note. So even when you are just moving your hands above like this, it will see your fingers as inside and so it will play. Another thing is that the overall speed and accuracy depends on your system, your webcam and processing speed and RAM. For reference, my laptop's webcam is of extremely poor quality and this device cannot even play GTA 5 at 20 FPS. Even when the graphics settings are lowest, it plays in the 12 to 16 range. So I think you would be good. Well, that's all. I hope this is slightly useful. Thank you for watching.